Hello, today I'm going to be reviewing the Gannett 11M Pro. This tube is very fast and light. I have the fastest white stickless version, but there are 4 other versions apparently as well. One is soft, it's white plastic. One is the same as this one, just it has black components. And as well, there is a UV coating version, which is shiny to help grip. Well, I like the frosted tubes, that's why I got this one. Okay, so as well you get a case like this that you can open by pressing these 2 buttons. It's kind of cool. And you get a nice soft case to put the cube in. Kind of like this. And you get a card which has, I don't know what is with this number or code. And you get this thing that I'll explain in a moment, and a screwdriver. And you can change the settings. And that is for magnet setting. The screwdriver is for the magnet setting. I'll show you in a moment. Okay, over here, we can turn it 45 degrees and you see all of these. I'll got them for you. I'll show you on each setting how I turn. This is free magnet setting. It's hard to do slightly because magnets are very strong on the settings too. And over here, and now I'm going to change it to 2. So maybe it will look differently, I don't know, but definitely the magnets will get a little bit looser. I move that to 3. That's on 2. That's on 2. And so on 2. Okay, it may look a little bit differently, but I don't. And well, it comes with safety tips. Okay, so this is. Why the heck is that? Why do it keep coming? Okay, so over here you can as well change everything. Yeah, in this box you can. Over here, you can get to the core of this cube. You can change it up to here, and we can as well remove it. And now I'm going to talk about core magnets. So the core magnets are when there is a corner over here, and it is attracted to this a corner. And well, it holds the centers in place of the core. And you can as well change this by removing over here to get to the other center. And over here, we have something like this. You can grab one corner and we can twist it. I'm not going to do it, but you can turn it this way and then replace it. And this was a triangle shaped magnet, and over here was a hexagon. And it's in here. I know what's not in here, but it's all like that. Over here, you can put this back. Yeah. I'm going to first do it. What the heck? It's not trying to cut in the cake. But let me say so. So then you can just get the springs. But when the springs are like this, I'm telling you, it's gonna just be the strongest magnet ever. And just align itself. Maybe not that fast. And you can remove the strings like this, and swap it out for the dark blue string to get to the other setting. So that is how it works. Okay. So that's pretty much it for this video. So bye bye, and please subscribe, and see you all next time.